What's going on, pop stars? I pray you all are doing well. I am popping in today because, as the title states, I want to share my Aloe Leave-In conditioner with you. You guys, I want to share this Aloe Leave-In conditioner with you because aloe has so many benefits for internally as well as externally. There are a plethora of benefits that come from consuming aloe as well as putting it on your skin and putting it in your hair, which are all made of the same thing, protein, keratin, and all that other good stuff. But I just wanted to pop in really quickly and just share how I put together this Aloe Leave-In conditioner. It's also good for strengthening your hair and things of that nature. So really quickly, I have three things or three steps. Basically, is the aloe. As you know, I am going to I'm probably going to use another leaf. Actually, I think I have another one so I don't have to use this whole one because it's really just for my head today. And I'm also going to put in my oil of choice, which is castor oil. Castor oil is a great hair conditioner. Also, it's good for constipation and things of that nature. That's in a whole nother video. But we used to take this growing up as well to help give our bodies a purge or a cleaning out. West Indian culture. And then also I have a spray bottle, which is what I'm going to put all of it in once I'm done. So basically, I'm going to cut up this aloe, and actually another one I'm going to use so I don't have to, use a whole one for myself. But I'm going to cut up the aloe, scoop out the gel. I'm going to apply my oil. You guys can use any oil that you want. I also have coconut oil, which I'm a huge fan of. I use that mixed together with things. I never just put it just on my hair because it doesn't do anything by itself as far as moisturizing go, but it's great in addition to other things. And then of course, once I put those two together, I'm gonna put it in my spray bottle and then I'm gonna apply it to my hair. And of course that's in another video. So just stay tuned. Okay, so it's done blending. I hope that's enough for my hair, but we'll see. I'll make it work. So now what I'm going to do is pour this into this clear cup, and I'm going to sift it through this strainer just to get out any extra particles and things of that nature, you know, in case there's any other gel that didn't blend. I let it run for at least a minute or two, so you would think it should be fine, but you never know, so we'll see. So let's do it that way. So I could just kind of pour that and you guys can watch. Now, the last step is I'm going to mix some castor oil, and I'm just going to eyeball it into this in the spray bottle. Not bad. 3/4 of it. I think that's more than enough. Now I'm going to put the castor oil. And I'm just going to eyeball it. And then I'm going to put the cap on. And then I'm going to shake it up. So guys, there you have it. There is the finished product. That is the Leave-In Aloe Conditioner. It is super easy, super quick. All you need is your aloe, raw aloe, and your oil of choice. Put it in a blender, shake it up, and it's ready to go. Now, I will say you should use this, if you're going to leave it out, use it within the first 2 to 3 days. If not, then put it in the fridge just to kind of keep it. It'll last like a couple weeks that way. Me personally, I just want to mix what I'm going to use, and I will use just about all of it because, you know, I don't want it left over. I just like to make things fresh and just kind of keep it when I need it. So once again, and as always, thank you so much for tuning in. If you have not hit that subscribe button, please hit subscribe and help us grow. When you like the episode, hit that thumbs up. And if you have anything you want to share, please don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. Until next time.